The topic we are going to see is online survey tool. Okay, online survey tool by Google Form. Okay, so what is survey? Okay, survey is done by a researcher or a organization or a government body to collect data, decide data. Okay, so we are doing a survey to collect data. Okay, so data collected through the survey helps in following ways. The first is it helps the researcher in their project for analysis. It helps the company to get valuable feedback from customers, thereby assisting promoting their products. Third is it helps the government bodies to do any reforms in their policy, etc. Okay, so there are many applications of the survey. Okay, so mainly we are doing survey for data collection. Okay, so data collection is the main motive for doing any survey. Okay, an online survey. Okay, what is online survey? A decade before, conducting survey for data collection is a tedious, complex task, and it requires more time and resources. Okay, so before 10 years before, okay, so doing a survey is not a doing a survey is not a simple thing. Okay, so it was very tedious task. Okay, but nowadays due to the advancement in the information and communication technology, online survey became possible and effective. Okay, so nowadays the IT field is very much developing. Okay, so the online survey became possible and also effective. So with the help of this online survey, the data collection became quick, easy, and cost effective. Okay, so online survey make to that is with the help of the survey. Okay, online survey we are able to collect the data in a very quicker manner. Okay, and also effective manner. Okay, and the cost for doing survey is also reduced. Okay, so the purpose of doing online survey is, the first thing is we want the data very quickly. Okay, and next thing is we want to reduce the cost. Okay, so these two things are the main objective of doing online survey. Okay, so next is online form. Okay, what is online form? See, for doing a survey, okay, we want to prepare a questionnaire. Okay, so with the help of this questionnaire only we can able to collect the data in systematic and effective way. Okay, so if we prepare this questionnaire in online form, okay, so, that is in the cloud platform. Okay, that is called online form. Okay, that is we are preparing a questionnaire in the cloud platform. Okay, cloud means internet. Okay, cloud means internet. Okay, so we are preparing the questionnaire in the online platform. Okay, then it is called online form. Okay, so there are several online platform where a person or organization, okay, or a company can do online survey. Okay, so some more example of Google Forms and Survey Monkeys. Okay, so commonly we will use Google Forms. Okay, so it is most popular. Okay, Google Form is the platform. Okay, where we can do the online survey and we can prepare the questionnaire. Okay, what is Google Form? Okay, Google Form is an online survey tool platform service provided by the Google. Okay, so it is an online survey tool platform. Okay, so it is a freeware. Okay, that is it is a free software for creating survey. So with the help of this form we can create a survey. Okay, we can also create a questionnaire and polls. Okay, for voting they are preparing the polls. Okay, that is polls, and also for quiz. Okay, and also we can conduct quizzes. So with the help of this Google Form we can also conduct quizzes. Okay, so anyone with the valid Gmail ID can able to access this form for creating survey. Okay, so only we need this. We want a valid Gmail ID. So with the help of this Gmail ID we can able to access this form, Google Form. Okay, so how to access this form? Okay, so first we want to open our Gmail ID. Okay, and then we want to open our Google Drive. Okay, in the Google Drive we want to go new. In the new we want to click the more option. In the more option we want to create a Google Form. Okay, so okay, this is the way of accessing the Google Form. Okay, so okay, we will see how to access this form. Okay, Google Form. See, first thing is you want to open a mail ID. Okay, so first thing is you want to open your mail ID. Okay. And after that you want to okay, sorry. Okay, so after that you want to go in the, see, after opening the mail ID, okay, after opening the mail ID, okay, so in the, okay, okay, in the dashboard, okay, so in this one you want to go Drive, okay, Google Drive. Okay, so after opening mail ID, you go here, Drive, click Drive. Okay. Okay, so after opening the Drive, okay, so you want to click the new. Okay, so here we are having new. Okay, so you click here new. Okay, so in this you will get the more option. See here, okay. Okay, here you're getting more option. Okay, so in the okay, in this you are getting the form, Google form. Okay, Google Forms. Okay, so in this you create blank form. Okay, so in the Google form you create the blank form. Okay. Okay, this is the form, online form. Okay, so with the help of this form only we can able to prepare questionnaire. Okay, so this is the online form. Okay, so first we are opening the mail ID. Okay, so in the mail ID we are opening the Google Drive. Okay, so in the Google Drive we are going new. Okay, new option. Okay, and the new option you are going, okay, and in the new we are going more. Okay, so in the more we are going Google form. Okay, so if you click this one, in the Google form you want to click in the Google form you want to click the blank form. Okay, so if you click the blank form you will get like this. Okay, so this is the online form. Okay, online survey tool. Okay, so so with the help of this only we will prepare a questionnaire. Okay, or a quiz. Okay, or a do okay, or we can do a survey. Okay, so this is the Google form. Okay,